guys, come back to my channel, Miss Vlog TV guys. Thank you sa mga nag-subscribe. Hindi ba na-subscribe, please subscribe my channel, Miss Vlog TV. I-likes naman ninyo and press notification to update our simple vlog channel. Yes. So today we're going to put in B again. We ride some ferry and have some fun there, around there. A lot of people because it's summer this time. So road trip muna tayo going to Perry. Yan, road trip muna going to Perry guys. So yan yung ating rappels. Bigla lang tayo mag-rappels kasi yung iba dyan hindi man lang mag-like sa ating mga simple picture dyan. So yan guys, bye bye muna guys. See you in Perry. Bye bye. Guys, naiwanan kami guys, umihi pa kami. Pero every half an hour mayroong ferry guys. So, umalis na yung 10 o'clock. So 10:30 ang antay namin. Umihi pa kasi. Hindi pa kami nagkalahati. Paglakad papuntang ferry, nag sounds na, means alis na sila. So 10:30 antayin namin. 25 minutes. O diba, nakaupo muna. Yeah, island put in bay. My God, but like ocean guys, pero lake lang yan. Malaki pa sa lake, mainit. Ewan ko, parang pareho lang sa lake, mainit. Pero mas malaki to, yun ang ferry. Humalis na. Ito yung station, ferry station. Ganon. We are here with with my daughter and the friends at Chores. So ngayon kami lang ng Lubiko, tapos mga friends niya mamaya pa guys. So yeah, mag-abot na lang kami doon. Sabi ko mag-aga kami, kaya uwi ako mamaya, kaya magtrabaho pa tayo, di ba, ng gabi. Lakwatsa pa rin kahit working tonight, di ba? We have time to lakwatsa guys, amigos. So yan, tingnan natin mamaya doon. Sakay kami ng cable car. Cable car? Oh. Golf car. I say cable car. Golf car. Sabi ko cable car. Dapat may cable car dito, no? Tulad sa Hong Kong ba, tawid ng dagat. Dito tawid ng Sus, kung may cable car, maganda. Maraming sumakay. Maraming magamit ng cable car. Golf car. Sakay kami ng golf car. Meron mga boat doon. May mga boat, lipad-lipad lang, o, di ba? Yan, so fun, enjoy here. Sakay-sakay ng golf car, kain-kain ng ice cream, di ba last year? Korea lang, nag-disgrasya akong ngipin ko, ang sakit. Di ba, natumba ako. Parang may tumulak sa akin, kaya marami kasing bato. Mga kano kasi hindi naniniwala. Pero tayo, may pamanhin tayo na may mga may mga tao na hindi natin makita, di ba? Hindi ko nagtabi-tabi, yun. Para akong tinulak guys. Diretso hindi ako nakahawak. Wala namang butas yung inapakan ko, kunting bricks lang. Yung bricks nagtabi, tapos natumba pa ako, imposible kayo, tinulak ako. Ayaw maniwala ng view ko eh. So yan ang ating attire today. Diba guys? So bye bye muna kayo mamaya. Arrive guys, put in bay, arrive namin dahil. Sakay namin ng cable car. That's why. Yeah. Yo, we go that side, right, baby? Bye-bye, Monarch. Yeah. Yeah, guys, sakay na kaming golf car. Di ba? Init. Yung driver ko napaka laging galit. Magtanong ka lang, gagalit. Di ba? Guys, sakay na kami ng golf car. Yan, guys, dito na kami island. Di ba island? Like ocean island, but it's the lake. Yoo-hoo! Hoy. Hawakan natin ang ating kaya lilipad ang ating sombrero dito.
Where do you want to go?
Go around, no? It's in the town. Da. Da. Diba? Wala. Pwede mag-rent. Yeah. Dito yung mga view ngayon dito. May mga bahay dyan, oh. Sorte sila may bahay dito. What? The paper. Hold on. May plane dyan, guys. Pwede mag-rent dyan, wala mang plane ngayon. Yung mag-plane, pamunta dito dyan, landing dyan. Diba yung mga mayaman, may mga plane, mga helicopter. Yan, helicopter, yan, nag-antay, baka mag-rent dyan sila. May plane maliit. I have a plane, one. Helicopter. May lalanding, guys. Wow. Oh, may lalanding. May landing. Mag-landing siya. Malanding, maliit. Landing. Okay, babay muna guys. Bye-bye. Guys, tower. Diba? Yan ang tower, mataas. Yung Canada, mas mataas na Niagara Falls. They have 3 plants. They have plant Canada. Where's the other one? UK. Wow. Tower. We're doing the side, but I didn't go to the side. The tower never been. Other one. The restaurant, right? The same side.
Wow, we're going up.
Oh my God. Jesus. Going that side, never been. lake dyan, oh. The lake is there. Amigas, amigos. Very nice the town here. Ta-da-da. Close road. Yan guys, ang lake. Oh my God. Yan lang guys, ang town dito sa Putin Bay. Babay muna guys. Pasyal-pasyal muna kami. Ganda ang bahay dito. Ganda yung mga bahay, oh. Yan, babay muna guys. Kain tayo guys. Ice cream kasi vanilla. Ganda ng lalagyan. May cone muna guys. Burgers. Kain. Yummers. Sa vanilla. Ayun. Stupid. Cold beer and ice cream. Bye guys. Kain tayo. Yan guys, dumating na sila. Yan ang mga dancer ng mga bata. Sasaya yung dalawa sasayaw mamaya. Kaya nagpupunta dito every year. Kasi nagsasayaw sila. Merong grupo nila na magsasayaw. Yan. Dalawang car. Yung tatlo yung amin. He says, di pa nila around. No, he's not around last year. Ta-da-da. Mamaya guys, mamaya. This is the town, the park. Oh, the boats, boardwalk. Oh, nighttime guys. Oh, the lobster there. Lobster restaurant, huh? Yeah, this is the town here. A lot of restaurant, a lot of boat. Next time, baby, we rent the boat. Rent the boat. Engage with me. Here because I know they drink beer. boat.
They gotta go for animals.
Boat. Restart. Yeah, drink beer here. Bye. Excuse me. This is the historical Joseph Rivera St. Joe's Go 1813 and 1889 Ohio Historical Marker. He's the one guys. Nood na kami ng sayawan, dance sa aming baby, dalawang baby dyan sa anak ng best friend ng nobyo ko. So mag-show na diyan, tapos mag-dance sila, tapos uwi na kami. Yun lang amigas, amigos, pauwi na kami. Thank you. Thank you sa mga manood dyan. Please subscribe my channel, Miss Vlog TV. And thumb up nyo and press the notification. Thank you, bye guys. Uwi na kami kasi tapos na ang dance. Yeah. Papunta na sa Pere, sasakay na kasi mag-work pa tayo mamaya. Okay ba? Well, wala to. Oh, Punta na kami sa ferry. Bye-bye muna. Yeah, 4 o'clock, right? 4:30. Yan guys, ang ganda ng mga flowers dito guys. Yan, sasakay na kami ng ferry to home. Oh, the car's all finished. Yay! Okay, sakay na kami. Mamaya. Na guys, pauwi na guys. Grabe kainit. Tired. Too hot. So, pauwi na. Bye-bye na. Doon, buwan na kami sa ferry. Pauwi na.